Removing debit/credit card from TikTok is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can remove debit/credit card from TikTok. So the process is actually very simple. You just have to open up your TikTok application, and in the TikTok application you have to tap on your profile. After tapping on your profile, you just have to tap on these three lines to open up the menu bar, and there you have to tap on settings and privacy. And here you simply have to tap on this balance option. Now after tapping on balance option, you will either have some balance. If you do not have one, you just have to tap on get coins. If I tap on get coin, it will want me to buy the coins which I can buy using my credit/debit card. So if I tap on recharge, it will open it up. You just have to tap on the card to delete it. If it is open up right here, which means it is added to your Google Play, you have to delete it from your Google Play account, which you'll easily be able to go to which you'll easily be able to do by going to the Google's account settings. However, if you want to remove the withdraw account, you just have to tap on withdraw, and after that you will be able to see your card details. You just have to tap on manage card to detail your card from right here. So that's very much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.